Welcome to the enchanting journey along Bateen Road, a scenic artery of Abu Dhabi that stretches along the serene coastline of the Arabian Gulf. As we begin, you'll immediately notice the harmonious blend of natural beauty and urban elegance. Palm-lined streets, meticulously landscaped gardens, and the gentle rhythm of the Gulf waves create a sense of tranquility that perfectly contrasts the bustling energy of the city's heart. Bateen Road is more than just a route. It is a passage through time. From the days when pearl diving was the backbone of Abu Dhabi's economy, to the present, where luxury resorts and modern skyscrapers define the skyline, this road reflects the city's evolution. Notice the traditional Arabian villas standing gracefully alongside contemporary architecture. A subtle reminder of how history and modernity coexist in this city. As we drive further, the residential neighborhoods reveal Abu Dhabi's refined lifestyle. Elegant villas with geometric Islamic patterns, ornate facades, and private gardens demonstrate a unique architectural style that is both luxurious and culturally rooted. Many of these homes belong to influential figures, and their careful design showcases a blend of privacy and aesthetic beauty. Between these residences, small art galleries and boutique cafes offer an intimate glimpse into Abu Dhabi's growing creative scene. Each gallery exhibits works by local and international artists, celebrating the UAE's commitment to cultural development. Meanwhile, the aroma of freshly brewed Arabic coffee from nearby cafes enhances the sensory experience, creating a perfect blend of tradition and leisure. Approaching Bateen Marina, the scene transforms into a vibrant waterfront paradise. Luxurious yachts float elegantly in the calm waters, while families and tourists stroll along the promenade, enjoying the refreshing sea breeze. The marina is not just a hub for leisure. It is a testament to Abu Dhabi's love for the sea and maritime heritage. Look closely at the traditional dhows docked alongside modern yachts. These vessels represent a fascinating contrast between the UAE's rich history and its futuristic ambitions. On clear days, the sun sparkles across the water, casting a golden glow over the marina, making it a perfect spot for photography and reflection. As we continue, the skyline rises dramatically with the striking Etihad Towers. Comprising 5 towers, each designed with a unique silhouette, these structures are an engineering and architectural marvel. The reflective glass panels not only create a visually stunning facade, but also cleverly adapt to Abu Dhabi's intense sunlight, reducing heat and enhancing energy efficiency. Inside, luxury apartments, offices, and the world-renowned Jumeirah at Etihad Towers Hotel offer an unparalleled experience. Visitors can ascend to the observation deck, which provides a panoramic view of the city, the desert, and the endless Gulf waters. At night, the towers are illuminated with sophisticated lighting, symbolizing the city's modern sophistication while maintaining harmony with the surrounding environment. Continuing along Bateen Road, the scenery shifts between natural elegance and urban design. The gentle waves of the Arabian Gulf lap against the shore to our right, while the left is adorned with parks, sculptures, and public art that reflect Abu Dhabi's cultural investment. Each installation tells a story, from traditional Emirati heritage to contemporary artistic expression. The wide, smooth road offers a leisurely driving experience, allowing both residents and tourists to immerse themselves fully in the beauty of the surroundings. Streetlights are carefully designed to enhance the aesthetic experience without overshadowing the natural ambience. And the occasional glimpse of desert dunes in the distance reminds us of Abu Dhabi's unique geographical setting. And now, we arrive at the crown jewel of Abu Dhabi, the Emirates Palace Hotel. Often regarded as one of the most luxurious hotels in the world, the palace epitomizes Arabian opulence. Its architecture blends classical Islamic design with modern elegance, featuring grand domes, intricate mosaics, and magnificent arches. The gardens surrounding the palace are meticulously maintained, with fountains, reflective pools, and vibrant floral arrangements enhancing the sense of serenity. The interiors are equally stunning, adorned with gold accents, elaborate chandeliers, and handcrafted details, offering a feast for the senses. Emirates Palace is not merely a hotel. It is a venue for international conferences, cultural events, and exclusive gatherings, symbolizing Abu Dhabi's commitment to hospitality and global presence. Walking through its corridors or admiring its exterior is like stepping into a living work of art, where every detail has been thoughtfully crafted. As our journey along Bateen Road comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on the remarkable sights we've experienced. From the calm coastal waters and vibrant marina life to the towering modern skyscrapers and the regal Emirates Palace, this route captures the essence of Abu Dhabi, its history, culture, and ambition. Bateen Road is more than just a road. It is a narrative of the city's journey, connecting its past and present in a seamless experience. Whether you are visiting for the first time or revisiting familiar sites, a drive along this route leaves an indelible impression, offering a blend of tranquility, luxury, and inspiration. Thank you for joining this scenic exploration, and may the memories of this journey remain as vivid as the landscapes we've discovered. If you enjoyed our video, we would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve, so if you notice any mistakes, kindly let us know. We'll be motivated to bring you even more amazing content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel UAE Desert Race Tours and share this video with your friends to spread the excitement. Thank you for your support.